Did you know that cats are the #1 human-related source of bird deaths? Since the 1970s, bird populations have been rapidly declining. And cats kill around 3 billion every year in North America alone. But it's not just birds who are in danger. Outdoor cats face threats such as disease, cars, unwanted pregnancy, and cat theft. So how can you help? Supervise your outdoor cat. Or better still, build your feline friend a catio in your back garden. For more information, visit the VARC website and help make British Columbia a safer place for cats and birds.